Hi Tooligans, welcome back to the channel. Firstly, let me say hello and thanks to any of my new subscribers, and hello and thanks to all my existing subscribers. All your support is much appreciated, guys. Helps keep the channel going, helps the channel grow, and helps me do these videos. Today I bought a 3D, I think they're 3D printed, the holsters to put on for these. So what I'll do, I'll open them up, we'll have a little look, see what we think. And then I'll pop them on the wall where they're going to go. I think these were £17 for the four through Amazon. All the packaging will be recycled, by the way. Nothing goes to waste. Some fittings. And there they are. I'll bring it a bit closer in a moment, guys. We'll have a little look. Okay, so these are not the ones I thought I was going to get. They're not the right way round. The way I thought they would come in, which is in the picture, shows them being that way. So with the bracket around there. Not a problem. I'm going to see how I can use them. But it's just going to be a little bit more, well, not of a fuss, but I planned on them sitting like that, so not like that, but it's not a problem. All these problems are sent to try us, so I'll bring it a bit closer and we'll just have a little look at these. So here they are, guys. They're actually printed not too bad. Like I said earlier, I expected that bit to be there, so, and on a slight angle, which they show in the picture, so I will be sending some to Amazon. Again, I think we'll make something out of it. It's not a problem. What I'll do, I'm gonna pop these on the wall and we'll come back and we'll have a little look-see. Okay, so there you go, guys. I've fitted these holders now onto the side, so they fit on fine. All seems square. There you go. I've still got the one for the SDS. Not sure if I'm going to use this one. Might pop up there. It might pop up there now. If I like it, I'll leave it up there. Otherwise, I'll just take it out. Let me know if you use these, guys, or if you've purchased any of these, how you've got on with them, if you like them, where you bought yours from. I don't know. I might leave that on, I might take it off. Tell you what, we'll have a vote. We'll have a viewer's vote. Leave that one up there or take it off. I don't know if it's maybe if I ever move around, because I need to fit another one of these in there, so that'll fit to about there. So I'm not sure. Would have been nice if it was that way so you could see all in Milwaukee, but fan vote, subscriber vote, viewer vote, let me know if I should leave this one up on there. I need to reposition it anyway a little bit. So okay guys, thanks for watching the video. It's only a small video just on these M12 holders. I've got a battery holder on the way which will hold a big 4 to 6 amp on the top, and then the small, I think they're 2s, yeah, the 2s, and I think they're 3s as well in the small version. So I'll be popping that up as well, and I'll be showing you that. Okay guys, thanks for your time and I hope you enjoyed the video.